Chris from Pearland has a question about remodeling his bathroom.
Well, and the design option involves moving the toilet.
Yeah.
All right, so Chris writes, even though it's in the same location, this design change they're considering, Tom, would require turning the toilet in another direction, and that means chipping the concrete foundation to reposition the drain. And one contractor says, no big deal, we'll do it all the time. Another one says, oh, no, it's bad. You're going to mess with your foundation. Don't go there. Chris wants to know which one to trust.
This is done all the time. All they have to do is put a new flange on there. I don't know how much chipping they're really going to have to do because the drain line can stay. You're just changing the flange so the bolts go in a different direction. And so if you want to turn it, turn it.
I wonder why the other guy doesn't want to turn it.
Some people aren't as good at doing things than others.
And I'll tell you what. And if that's his answer on that one, you don't know about the other answers he's giving you, too.
All I got to say.
Just saying, caveat emptor.
There you go.
Okay. That's buyer beware for those of you who aren't Catholic. Okay.
Yes. It's Spanish.
Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. All right. But we speak English when we answer the questions you send us at HomeShowRadio.com most of the time. Check out our videos over here and subscribe to our channel.